Hey, what's up guys? It's Angel Koo, your trusted real estate advisor, and today we're going to be touring the fabulous Park Wellington here in West Hollywood. I've got a brand new listing on the penthouse level. Follow me as we take a tour. All right guys, so one of the first things you'll notice when you come in here, that there's a 24-hour concierge here to help you out. They'll help you get your packages or just say hi to you when you get back home from work. All right, so just off to the side of the lobby, you have this nice little meeting/waiting room for your guests to come in. As you know, anyone who comes in and out of this building needs to check in with the front desk. So just right behind this little meeting area, you have your mailboxes where you pick up your mail. And follow me as we go upstairs to the conference room that you can use as a residence. So now we're on the second level where we have a conference room/meeting room table. As you know, with COVID, a lot of us are working from home, and this kind of adds to the amenities here at the Park Wellington. All right guys, so now we are on the penthouse level. The best thing about this unit is that it's right next to the back elevator. As you can see, this is one of the best units in the entire building. All right guys, so being on the penthouse floors, as you can see, this amazing view right behind me there of Century City and the ocean. Our balcony actually sits on the 50-yard line of the tennis court. And also we have a perfect view of the resort style pool that we're gonna be showing you in just a second. All right guys, so we're back in the unit. As you can see, we have a nice little breakfast nook/dining area here just off the kitchen. As you see here in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, electric stove as there's no gas in this building, wine fridge, dishwasher, sink, you're all set up. All right guys, so we're now in the master bedroom of the unit. As you can see from here, you have excellent views of Century City as well from your bedroom. Follow me as we go to the other room/closet here. As you can see, it's completely walk-in closet for all your shoes, jackets, and clothes, or you can probably rent this out to somebody. All right guys, so that was the apartment itself. Follow me as we go check out the rest of the amenities. All right guys, so we just came out of the back elevator of the building. Another great thing about this unit is that your parking space is literally a few steps away there. All right guys, as you can see, there's people playing tennis on the tennis courts. The best courts in all of West Hollywood. Follow me as we go to the gym. All right guys, so now we're in the gym. This isn't just any gym. This gym has professional weights, free weights, all your top of the line equipment, some pull-up bars, some dips. All right guys, that's enough. Let's head out to the pool. Oh, my knee. All right guys, check it out. We're not in Vegas, we're in West Hollywood, but this pool is amazing. You got cabanas there. You've got chairs and lounges there to hang out with your friends. Big wide pool here, private jacuzzi, all in the heart of West Hollywood. All right guys, so we're in the lower level of the parking garage. Another great thing about the Park Wellington is that you have this entire area for visitor parking. As you can see, there's like, I don't know, 50, 60 spots here. Don't quote me on that. But again, you know, on your weekend trips, your friends can park here. You guys can walk to the clubs from here. Follow me as we go to the last area of the building, which is the dog park right over here. All right guys, so one of the coolest features about this building is this dog park in the middle of West Hollywood for your personal use any time of the day. All right guys, so let's recap this. We are on the penthouse level, best views in the entire building. This building has 5 levels, 163 units, 2 levels of secured parking. We have the pool, the tennis court, the gym, the jacuzzi, sauna, and this amazing dog park that you can run around in right here in the heart of West Hollywood.